It came with a little screwdriver. You gotta be kidding me. Check it out. Its own little screwdriver. These are metal. Metal bucket, metal. And it came with a bag of little guys, like construction guys, which is really cool. So that's amazing. Look at that. Okay. So we're gonna test this thing for the first time. Ready? Here she goes. What is this thing anyway? Alloy version. Oh, that's neat. Alloy version. Wow. One-click demo. Excavator. Industry. Remote control. Okay, here we go. Ready? On. Then the one-click demo, I imagine, is right somewhere on here. One-click demo. What would you click to demo something like this? It can't be that difficult. Wow. That's the one-click demo, yeah? Oh. That's a nice little scoop. There's a lot. Wow. I like it. Okay. That's cool.